ones that you hear, out in the commercial workforce and workplace and everything are around cloud technologies and big data. Those are kind of the buzzwords that you hear everybody talking about right now. The past several years, I've been focused on fielding ERP programs in Department of Defense, so that's kind of the world that I live in right now. So the biggest trend that I'm focused on right now is helping program managers hit cost, performance, and schedule on their major ERP initiatives. So that may sound a little retro nowadays with people talking about, cloud and mobility and big data. And those are certainly things that our customers are talking about doing, but right now their prime mission product is they're focused on fielding their SAP ERP solutions, and that's kind of what I'm focused on right now. It kind of ties into my first answer. The purpose of the systems that SAP has been doing for the past 41 years is helping organizations keep track of their assets, their money, their people, their inventory, and things like that. So that's what we've been doing in the Department of Defense for the past 10 years or so, is fielding systems that allow the federal government, the Department of Defense, to keep track of their assets, their money, their people, all their resources, and then be auditable and accountable for those things, and then use them on the missions as they come up. So that's kind of what we're focused on. Mobility stuff, I would think. The fact that there are now so many mobile and cell phones and pads, various types and stuff, ruggedized laptops. You can't go anywhere on the world these days without people holding up and using devices like that. So we're kind of taking the business core that we've developed over the past 41 years and pushing it out to those mobile devices so that consumers and constituents and people in uniform can push those capabilities out to where that small device is in their hand. Well, I think the federal government could better embrace technologies by recognizing the areas that they're being successful. I think the ERP programs in general, if you read various reports that are out there, they tend to all get brushed with the same brush. But the panel that I had with Ms. Miller and Ms. Jones earlier today, it's clear that a large number of those programs are being very successful. So I think that that's something I'd like to see, is more visibility on the good things that are being done. Kristen Jones spoke a while ago about the GFIBS program. She has clear visibility into the entire Army budget. And last year, I think they closed their books in 6 hours. So, part of that's their handle on great requirements, great program management and governance, and part of it is the fact that they're using a world-class solution to provide the technical underpinnings for that. Some of it's obvious, right? More and more of a proliferation of mobile devices. I think you'll see embracement and implementation of more and more cloud solutions, and SAP will be at the forefront of that. We've already got 300,000 folks using our cloud-based solutions in the Department of Defense. Not all of them are truly cloud. Some of them are on-premise, but they're all cloud-based solutions. So mobility, cloud, big data, and we'll continue to march out with fielding those enterprise resource planning systems too, which is our bread and butter and what we've built our reputation on for the past 41 years.